Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new episode on digital marketing. This is season 1, episode number 2. I'm your host Farheen Mubarak from the Digi Creators. Today, we will be discussing about what digital marketing strategy you can make for consulting firms. I seriously hope that by the end of this episode, you are able to understand the concept and seriousness of having a digital marketing strategy for a consulting firm and why is it so important for your business's growth. Creating a digital marketing strategy for consulting firms can be a challenging task. There are tons of freelancers, consultants, and consulting firms available in the market ready to take over the small businesses and the individual customers. Today, we will be discussing about 5 best digital marketing strategies for consulting firms that is sure to make your brand stand out. Number 1, placing your brand right. Yes, you heard that right. For a consulting firm to succeed, you first need to precisely know the kind of customers you wish to draw in. While most consulting firms as of now have their brand and business strategy in place, it is essential to reconsider the positioning of your brand right from square one. If the motto of your consulting firm is not loud and clear, you may be lagging far behind your competitors. Keep asking yourself these questions time and again as to what makes you stand out when compared to your opposition. If the niche you have selected adds value and provides ready solutions or not. Number 2, build something different. Have you ever wondered what separates one consulting firm from the other in the eye of the customers? It is uniqueness. For any problem that occurs in the mind of your customers, they generally have tons of options available to select from. While building a digital marketing strategy for a consulting firm, you need to critically examine your goals and henceforth create something that adds value and is relevant to your clients. Every consulting firm, after placing its brand right, should aim at providing exceptional and significant services so that they can easily be differentiated from their competitors. Number 3, become a specialist. Nowadays, the development, improvement, and scattering of thought initiative have become one of the most significant tools in the process of making a digital marketing strategy for consulting firms. For attracting new and potential clients, becoming a specialist in your field has proven to be a valuable tool. However, to attract new customers is the hard part. And with the rapid growth in content creators, it has become even harder to cut through the chase. If you have the clarity as to what topics your consultancy firm should talk about, or is your consultancy firm less costly as compared to your competitors, you are probably on the right track. For becoming a specialist, you always need to own topics in the marketplace. You need to produce an assortment of work around a small bunch of points. A unique and established way to generate content to become a specialist. Most importantly, a distinctive publication cycle to ensure a smooth flow of content that can be delivered timely, and a clear approach on how to endorse and distribute it. Number 4, build an attractive website. The most important marketing asset of any consulting firm is its website. It is essential because it helps you in establishing credibility as a consulting firm. It not only plays a significant role in positioning and differentiating a brand, but also is minutely involved in the client acquisition process. Leading consulting firms who drive on the edge, critically acclaim, that a website is just a part of that system which is used solely to attract potential clients, support them over time, and associate with them when time favors. When this is built accurately and used proportionately, these empower a consulting firm to acquire the option to market their product to their potential clients through the use of operative call to action buttons. You are also able to market to prospective clients based on their interest. And most importantly, you are able to give priority to those clients that show up and are destined to partner with a consulting firm like yours. Number 5, shaping a marketing approach. You have successfully made it this far and handled the key parts of promoting and developing your consultancy firm. Now, you need to put resources into the important frameworks, and you have to crash into the strategies to build a marketing plan. Eventually, we've discovered that a successful marketing plan for a consulting firm needs to cover 3 aspects during the client acquisition process. The 3 aspects are becoming a professional, having techniques and tactics, and of course, the estimation and outcomes. Let us first talk about how you can become a professional. We've discussed the majority part of this above, but however, the planning process needs to be formalized for the internal audiences as well. Handling things professionally and defining the editorial goals, characterizing who will do what and when, is an absolute necessity. Talking about techniques and tactics, your plans should consider all parts of firm endorsements, promotions, and events. You need to make sure that you're not missing out on any of these. Next up is estimation and outcome. Finally, any great business procedure and digital marketing plan need to have a plot of what you want to achieve and how you would like to quantify it. Eventually, the marketing plan needs to establish a link between marketing activities and business development activities. On the on and off chance, if there are no settled answers, you need to build some interpretations and create a starting point for the next cycle. So you guys, with this, we come to an end with this episode. To make sure that you are on the right track while achieving your brand goals, you must choose the best digital marketing agency that will help you establish your business. If you're still unsure about the points that we've discussed and you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at www.thedigicreators.com. I repeat, www.thedigicreators.com for a free consultation. For your information, The Digi Creators is a startup digital marketing agency and is among the best homegrown digital marketing leaders in Mumbai, Maharashtra. As mentioned before, we have taken up this 7-day podcast challenge where we will be posting 7 different digital marketing strategies for various industries. In the next episode, we will be talking about how to make a digital marketing strategy for NGOs. Stay tuned with us for more and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our upcoming episodes. And as I always say, your review means the world to us. So don't forget to drop in your comments and your feedback. Hoping to hear from you guys very soon. Bye-bye.